welcome back to Risa Does Makeup. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a video where I talked about my best makeup tips and advice from my 25 years of experience as a makeup artist. And in, I believe it was the comments of that video, or maybe it was on Instagram, someone asked me, or someone said, you must have a lot of great stories from being in the industry that long, and you must have a lot of like makeup hacks that you've learned over the years. Have you shared all those? Could you share all those? So as I'm reading this comment, I'm thinking to myself, you know what? I do have quite a few beauty hacks that I can share that I think that perhaps a lot of people don't know. But you know, there's a chance that you have heard one or two or all of these before, but if not, I hope that you'll find them interesting and helpful. I think they will be interesting and helpful not only to working makeup artists, but also to those of you at home that might encounter these situations, or you know, you might think, wow, I could do that. That sounds really helpful. So now if I have you intrigued and you would like to hear what my makeup artist hacks are, then please keep on watching. If you own a foundation that is too thick and full coverage for your liking, all you need to do to make it work is just add either a bit of moisturizer or a few drops of facial oil to it. Then mix the two together and apply. This will sheer out the formula and give you a much more natural, wearable look. If you're looking to achieve the very popular bushy brow look, the easiest way is to take a bar of inexpensive clear glycerin soap, spray it 1 or 2 times with setting spray, and use a spoolie to blend the spray into the soap and apply it to your brows like you would a traditional brow gel. This will capture and lift all of the hairs. This would be much better demonstrated on fuller brows, as I have none, but even with my sparse brows, this helps me to see exactly where I need to fill in, and it still makes my brows look more natural versus drawn on. Have you ever woken up with much darker under eye circles than usual, but you don't own a corrector? Using a peach or orange tone lipstick will be just as effective. This one is Peach from KKW Beauty, and I just apply it directly to my dark circles, then pat it in. Next, I apply my regular concealer, just as I normally would. And voila, concealed, corrected, and bright under eyes. If you have hooded eyes, you know the struggle to not get mascara on your lids is real. For this hack, you want to take any flat-edged product you have on hand, place it a few millimeters behind the lashes, then apply mascara. The brush will hit the barrier and not your eyelid. Say you're on vacation or at a photo shoot and you forgot your eyeliner. You can use your brow pomade. Most of them are waterproof and long wearing, so they're perfect for using in the waterline or for tight lining. Speaking of brow products, did you know that a brow pencil can work great as a stand-in for a lip liner? Here I'm using Benefit's Precisely My Brow in shade 3. This is a great hack for those of you that don't like a heavily lined look. This gives subtle definition to the lips and helps to keep lipstick from moving into the fine lines around the mouth. The neutral tone also works well with any lip color. And finally, to get the boldest glow possible, spray your face with setting spray or a primer water first and then apply your highlight. This will amp up the vibrancy and you'll be shining bright like a diamond. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my top makeup artist hacks. I hope you found them interesting and that maybe you had an aha moment when you thought, you know what? That looks interesting. I think I'm gonna try that. So if you do plan on trying any of these hacks, or if you have any of your own that you'd like to share, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comments. I love to hear from you all. I would also love it if you would subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And one more thing, if you'd like to, I would love to have you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Everything is under the same name. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.